Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says find the equation of the line parallel to y equals 8 and passing through the point 2, negative 6. So this problem is a little different because y equals 8 is a horizontal line. We can use a graph to visualize this by drawing the line y equals 8, which is a horizontal line. All horizontal lines are parallel to one another. So the parallel line is going to be a y equals line, and we want it to pass through the point 2, negative 6. 2, negative 6. So that would have to be a horizontal line passing through whatever the y coordinate is. So a line parallel to y equals 8 passing through the given point would be y equals negative 6. So the easy way to do these problems is if you see parallel to and it's a horizontal or vertical line, all you have to do is write the same equation with the same coordinate. In this case, y equals negative 6.